Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. This video drops you straight into chaos, gunfire already ringing out before you even understand what's happening. What led up to it is even worse. An officer is hit, a landlord is caught in the violence, and a resident doesn't make it out alive. This all unfolds in seconds, and it shows how fast a situation can spiral beyond control. The breakdown starts now.
Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit! Shot! 924, I'm hit! I need medical at Wood. He's still shooting. He's at Wood at that original address.
The officer and the property owner were both transported to the hospital with injuries, but the outcome inside the home was far worse. A 34-year-old woman, Victoria Truss, a security guard and mother, was discovered outside on the lawn, unresponsive after suffering multiple gunshot wounds to her hands, chest, and neck. She was pronounced dead at the scene. That discovery immediately escalated everything. Authorities locked the entire area down, issuing a shelter-in-place as law enforcement flooded in from dozens of agencies, along with federal support. What started as a shooting quickly turned into a full-scale search. As investigators began piecing things together, they uncovered a history of domestic violence connected to Victoria, which shifted the focus towards someone close to her. Attention quickly turned to her former boyfriend, Michael Griffin, someone she had recently separated from. With that lead, officers began tracking his movements. The landlord provided a key detail, a black Mercedes linked to Michael. Hours later, that same vehicle was picked up by license plate recognition cameras, giving law enforcement their first real break in locating him.
Come on, car!
Alright, we're gonna be westbound on Mars, coming up to court. River Hill, let me pass him.
Police are about to deploy spike strips to try and stop the vehicle. This is a controlled way to slow him down without forcing a direct confrontation, and it gives officers a safer chance to end the pursuit before things escalate even further. But these situations don't always go the way they're planned.
These are 100. We are coming up to Hollow.
Police are moving in to box him in. Watch how quickly they try to cut off his options, because once he's surrounded, this can turn from a pursuit into a confrontation in seconds. And that's when things start to escalate. The gunfire starts intensifying, this is spiraling fast, and control is slipping away in real time.
Reservoir and Finlayson. Watch the crossfire, watch the crossfire.
Officers are about to move in on the suspect's vehicle. Watch this closely, because what happens next ends everything in an instant, and you don't see it coming.
I want you to come up on the passenger side. We're gonna form an L on the vehicle. We're gonna lock this vehicle down, and then we're gonna take a look. Squish it. All right, 715 MCSO. We're gonna place a bang on the hood and see if we can get any stimulants. MCSO, you got anything as far as movement? Negative on movement.
After the scene was secured, officers approached the vehicle and found Michael inside, deceased. The investigation that followed revealed just how intense that final encounter was. Reports indicate that officers from Glendale and Milwaukee, along with a federal agent, discharged their weapons. Investigators later recovered dozens of spent casings from law enforcement firearms. Inside the suspect's vehicle, additional casings were also located, showing shots had been fired from within the car during the confrontation. The medical examiner determined that Michael had sustained multiple gunshot wounds, and toxicology results later showed the presence of methamphetamine in his system. After reviewing all evidence, the Milwaukee County District Attorney's Office concluded that the officers' actions were legally justified, clearing them of any wrongdoing in the use of force. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.